loves, welcome back. So I'll be sharing with you this hack, or should I say trick, I saw on the internet, and it's washing your beauty sponges in the microwave. Now this is very interesting to me, and I saw it and I wanted to try it because these little bad boys are so hard to keep clean and they get dirty very easily. So when I saw this trick, I was like, man, I'm going to try this one. So what you're going to need is, you're going to need your beauty sponges, of course. You're going to need some washing up liquid, and you're going to need something you can use in the microwave. And this is what you're going to add the water to, and you wash these sponges one at a time. So I'm quite interested to see if this is going to work, because if it does, we are onto something here. So you're going to be there with me, so you'll be the judge of it. So yeah, let's get this ball rolling, shall we? Let's go. Okay, so I've poured the water in here, and I'm going to go ahead and pour some of the washing up liquid, and then I'm going to go ahead and throw one of my sponges, and we're going to run the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the microwave. It's not very hot. So as you can see, it's still dirty. It is still dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and run it for another minute. Okay, so that's 2 minutes done. So I'm going to wait till the microwave stops, then I'm going to take it out, making sure that the water isn't too hot, because you don't want to burn yourself. So let's see. Okay, it's a bit hot. Oops. Ooh, let me let that cool down a bit, guys. It's quite hot, actually. I want to take it out to see how much of the dirt is gone, but I don't want to cut the clip because I want to show you guys whether or not it actually worked. So bear with me, guys, bear with me. Ooh, that's hot. I'm actually going to cut the clip, guys, because I have to let this cool down. Okay, it's still not very, it's not cool enough, but I'm going in with these gloves, and I'm going to wring it a bit. So this is what it looks like after 2 minutes washed in the microwave. Actually, it looks a lot cleaner. Wow, I don't know if it's because this beauty sponge is old, but it's been, look at right here, but it's much cleaner than when I put it in the microwave. So I'm going to do one more sponge so you guys can actually see whether it worked. But I think it works because this sponge is much cleaner than when I had put it in the microwave. So let's just test out this one right here. You see how dirty this one is? We are going to test out this bad boy together and see how well this works. Mind you, the water gets really hot, so please do not burn yourself if you're going to try this trick. But let's just see how well it's going to clean this one. Again, I am starting off with just plain water, and I'm going to add some soap. I would not recommend you put your new beauty blender or your new beauty sponge in this, because it might just make it look, you know, very old and worn. So I'm going to go ahead and put my sponge in like that. And then we are going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Let me open the microwave first. We're going to put it in like that and press 1 minute. Alright, so that's the first minute done. Let's see how well. So I don't think 1 minute did much because it's still a bit dirty. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put it on for another minute. Oops. And that's it. 2 minutes in the microwave for my beauty sponge. Okay, so let's see what happened here. So clearly this one isn't washed properly, so this is a failure. Womp, 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 womp. I don't know if I should give it another minute. Well, the first one I did, it actually was a bit cleaner than I had put it in the microwave for. So I'm wondering if I should give this another minute. I'll be back. So what I did, guys, is added a little bit more washing up liquid, and then I'm going to do it for another minute. So this one would get 3 minutes because it's still not clean. And I can't understand why the first one got a little cleaner than it was, and then this one wasn't clean. So I'm intrigued to see what's going to happen. All right, so let's see. Ooh, that's hot. It's still not clean. Yeah, I don't really know about this trick, guys. The first one was okay, but this one is not clean. So we're gonna just abort this cleaning your beauty sponge in the microwave. I will just have to resort to washing them with my hands, which I hate. But this one, I've tried and tested, and I don't think I'm going to try it again. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you've done this before, let me know. And comment down below what you think about this whole trick or hack. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Do you know what happened, guys? I think that when you use a proper beauty sponge, it will actually get clean in the microwave. But the reason I think that the last one wasn't clean is because it's one of those cheap, really hard sponges, and those are hard to wash when you hand wash them. So I think that was the reason why I didn't get the last one clean. But believe you me, the first one did get clean, and I was very surprised with it. I may try this again. I know that I said I'm not going to try it, but I may try it again using my Real Technique sponge. But I think it's worth a try, but be very careful because the water gets really hot and you don't want to burn yourself. But try this out if you want and let me know. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, share, comment, and give it a thumbs up. See you soon. Bye bye.